Hey there, struggling with display issues? This week, we're diving into how to fix LG monitor resolution to help you get the best visual experience. Whether you're dealing with text that's too small or images that seem out of place, a correct resolution is key to a crisp, clean display. Follow these steps and you'll be able to enjoy a perfect picture on your LG monitor in no time. Step 1. Check your cable connection. First things first, let's make sure your LG monitor is properly connected. Loose or damaged cables can often lead to resolution problems. Check that your HDMI display port or any other video cable is securely connected to both your monitor and your computer. If possible, try using a different cable to rule out any physical issues. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause resolution issues. Head over to your computer's device manager. If you're using Windows, you can find this by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Device Manager. Locate the Display Adapters section, right-click on your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to update automatically online. For Mac users, ensure you're running the latest version of Mac OS, which will include any pertinent driver update. Step 3. Adjust screen resolution settings. Now, let's tweak those settings. For Windows users, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. You'll find a resolution drop-down menu where you can select the recommended resolution for your monitor. If you're using a Mac, go to System Preferences, click Displays, and choose Default for Display under the Resolution section. This automates your system to select the most suitable setting for your LG monitor. Step 4. Use LG's on-screen control software. LG offers great software called On-Screen Control, which allows you to easily adjust your monitor settings right from your desktop. Download and install the software from LG's official website. Once installed, open the program to access a variety of display settings. Check that your resolution is set to the recommended option and make any necessary adjustments like brightness or contrast if needed. Step 5. Check for monitor firmware updates. Sometimes the issue might be with the monitor itself. Check LG's website for any firmware updates for your monitor model. Firmware updates can provide significant improvements or fixes. Download the update and follow the instructions provided to install it on your monitor. Step 6. Reset the monitor's display settings. As a last resort, reset your monitor's display settings back to their factory defaults. Refer to your LG monitor's manual for instructions on how to perform a reset. This might clear up any custom settings that could be causing resolution conflict. And there you have it. By following these steps on how to fix LG monitor resolution, you should now have a clearer, crisper display that enhances your overall experience. From checking cables and updating drivers to using software solutions, there are numerous approaches you can take to resolve resolution issues. Remember, clarity is key to productivity and enjoyment, so don't let display problems hold you back. Try these solutions and bring the best out of your LG monitor. If issues persist, contacting LG customer support might provide some extra assistance. Enjoy your stunning display and happy computing.